Now we shall write the stresses developed in graduated leaves and full length leaves. We shall rewrite in the equation 2. So for stresses in graduated leaves, I'll replace the force FGL divided by IG B dash H square. So for the equation 2, I have replaced the stresses in graduated leaves as sigma g, Fg and Ig, because the forces is Fg and the number of leaves is Ig. We'll call this as equation 5. Next I'll replace for stresses in full length leaves. So for full length leaves I'll replace with Ff If 6 Ff L divided by If B dash H square. I'll call this as equation 6. Next we'll take the equation for deflection Y. The maximum deflection of laminated spring Y is equal to C2 FL cube by EI B dash H cube. So this is 11.28 C. Y is equal to C2 FL cube by EI B dash H cube. This is from 11.28 C, page number 180. So now the value of C2 is not the same for Y as that of sigma. Here for YF or full length leaves, the cross section of the Y or the cross section of leaf spring will be rectangular. That is why we need to take the value of C2 as 4, because the cross section will be rectangular. Hence we have to take the value of C2 as 4. For YF, the value of C2 is equal to 4. And for YG, here the deflection in full length leaves, and this is the deflection in graduated leaves. The value of C2 is 4 because the full length leaves will be at the topmost side and its cross section will be rectangular. That is why we have to take the value of C2 as 4, and for graduated leaves we have to take the value of C2 as 6. So we'll replace the value of C2 in the equation, this equation. We'll call this as equation 7. So YF is equal to 4 FF. So I'll replace F by FF, L cube divided by EIF B dash H cube. We'll call this as equation 8. And for YG, I'll take the value of C2 as 6 FGL cube divided by EIG B dash H cube. So this is equation 9. YF YG. Since full length and graduated leaves are clamped together, the deflection generated in full length leaves will be equal to the deflection in graduated leaves. Both the leaf springs are clamped together. You can see that the full length leaves and graduated leaves are clamped together. So the deflections YG will be equal to YF. So we shall equate equation 8 and equation 9. YF is equal to yg 4ff L cube divided by EIF B dash H cube is equal to 6 FGL cube EIG B dash H cube. So here some terms get cancelled. E B dash H cube, B dash H cube, L cube, L cube, and 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So we'll remain with 2FF by IF is equal to 3FG by IG. So we will remain with this equation. We shall rewrite this FG by FF is equal to 2IG by 3IF. FG by FF is equal to 2IG by 3IF. We shall call this as equation 10. Also F is equal to Fg plus Ff, because the some forces generated in graduated leaves and full length leaves, if you add that, we'll get the total load on the spring. So this is also given in data handbook from equation 11.29d, page number 181. There is F is equal to Fg plus Ff. 11.29d, page number 181. So we'll call this as equation 11. In this equation, I'll take out FF common. FF common, Fg by Ff plus 1. So for Fg by Ff, I'll substitute Fg by Ff, I'll substitute 2Ig by 3If. We'll take the LCM, 2Ig plus 3If by 3If. Now we shall call this as equation 12. I'll call this as equation 12, or you substitute equation 12 in equation 10. So before substituting, we have to alter this in form of FF. So FF is equal to 3IF, this F into 3IF, F into 3IF divided by 2Ig plus 3IF. We'll call this as equation 12. So we shall don't call this. We'll call this as equation 12. Now substituting equation 12 in equation 10. In equation 10, Fg divided by, for Ff, I'll substitute this entire equation. F into 3If divided by 2Ig plus 3If is equal to 2Ig divided by 3If. So we'll alter this equation. Fg is equal to f into 3if into 2ig divided by 2ig plus 3if into 3if. Here you can see that 3if get cancelled and will remain with f 2ig by 2ig plus 3if. So this is Fg. We will call this as equation 13. Now we'll replace the equation 13 Fg replace equation 13 in equation 5. Sigma g is equal to 6. I'll call this as equation 14. Replace equation 12 in